Hey loves, it's Chellbee. I'm the blogger behind Chellbee.com. And if this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. Every other week, typically on Thursdays, I like to share a little bit of my faith journey, spiritual journey, whatever words you want to use to describe that. So you can usually catch Bible study tips videos, Bible study lesson videos, behind the scenes of my Christian stationery shop. And today I'm actually sharing my studio office tour. So yeah, let's hop right into the video. So if you have watched my studio vlogs, then you know I am in this office all the time. I'm especially in this office all the time because I work full-time and I work from home. So this office is like a double space. You know, it functions for the business and it also functions for me to work full-time. So I spend a lot of time, honestly, most of my time here. I have worked to organize this office, which is why it took me so long to get this studio vlog, the studio tour recorded. And even this video is still a little bit dated because I've already added something else into the office and changed it. But yeah, nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not gonna talk too much. I am just taking the time to show you guys around and let you get a peek into our little space, our working space for the shop in the blog. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions or want to know where I got any of the items that are shown, I will make sure to put a list in the description box. As always, you guys, be blessed and stay safe. Bye.
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.